Hello everyone. In this part, we will cover some Python programs from first practice set. Here set A. In that, see here is a three question. First is Python program to calculate the area of triangle. Second, Python program to swap two variables. Third, Python program to generate a random number. Let's see one by one. See, these are the basic programs. You already know how to calculate the area, how to swap the number. You already did the program in C language or in a Java or in the other language. So just we need to understand the syntax of the Python. Okay. So see, here is the first question. Python program to calculate the area of triangle. We know this formula. Okay. Now just see. Here we are trying to find out the area. So you need a size. Okay. So first take the input. In a C language we are just writing the printf enter the length of the sides of triangle and we are just scanning it. Here you need to write the enter length of the first side inside the input function and if you want this particular entry in the floating point format or in the integer, you need to write here. Okay. So float in bracket input in bracket enter the length of first side. So it will store the first number inside the A. Similarly for the B and C also. Float input enter the length of the third side. Store it in a C. Now calculate the perimeter first. So how to calculate A plus B plus C divided by 2. So store this answer inside the S. And now here we will use this S. We will use this semi-perimeter here in bracket S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into zero point 0.5. Okay, do this addition and then this first addition and then use this formula and display your result here. The simple way you can copy this program and go to online compiler and you can execute it. Okay, let's see the second program. Python program to swap two variables. Here we are just swapping the two variables using the third variable that is our temporary variable. Here is a two-way to do this program. Without third variable also you can do this program or using the third variable. When you are using the third variable, just we need to copy the value into that third variable. And when you are using the only two variable, you need to do the addition and the subtraction. Okay, see, first p equals to int. Here we are taking the int. In previous program, here was the float. Okay, see now int in bracket input, please enter the value for p. Then q equals to int in bracket input, please enter the value for q. So read these two values p and q. Then swap. For the swapping, we are using this float. Okay, so here we are first considering the variable temp equals to p. Okay, store the p value inside the temp. Then store the q values inside the p. Okay, because right to left associativity we are considering. Then at the last store this temporary value into the q. Okay, and then after that display here print the value of p after swapping. Okay, so after swapping you will get the value of p here. Then print the value of q after swapping. So here you will get the q. Okay, so this is your output. Here you will get the output. Now let's see the second one program. See here is Python program to generate a random number. See, it's only the 3-line code. Okay, import random. You need to use the random. You need to import this level. Then n equals to random dot random. Use this function. First your library name dot your function. And then print n. So you will get the random number. Here, sometimes if you want to specify some range, only specific range. Okay, so you can specify inside this. How to execute then this programs on the online compiler? Just copy this code. See, just copy this code or you can directly type this code on an online compiler. Select this code, go to Google, then type here online Python compiler. Okay, here is a number of compilers are available, but I am using this program. So just click here. So we are using this interpreter. Here is the previous code is here. So just paste this code. See, these are the some extra notations because here by default it's considering this as a space as a dot. So remove this first, or you can just simply type import random and just random dot random and print it. Just click on a run, so you will get the output here. See, here is your output. Click again on a run, so you will get the different number because we have not given any limit inside the random function. When you are specifying the limit, you will get the output only in that range. Okay, so this is your code, and here you will get the output. So you can use this online compiler. This program is online compiler to execute your code. You can copy this next one program also. You can copy this program and you can run and you can check the output for the different inputs. Thank you. And if you have any query regarding the any question or any assignment, please type it in the chat. Thank you. Thank you very much.